Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWaves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made mine last week. Market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs. DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, DXY hit 110 as expected. If you remember that, let me know in the comment section. By the way, the level 110, it was crazy. And I'll cover for you anyway all this that you can see the right side of the screen from DXY all the way down to US30. But before we start, all of you who are new to WeTradeWaves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and keep watching till the end. This is our YouTube channel and all our official links are in the description under this video or on our website. So for that guys, by the way, we have posted for you the FTSE trade here. I'll show it to you anyway during the video. And this is where we post our weekly forex forecast on a weekly basis. So DXY for this one, 110 got hit. It was crazy. If I go to the 4 hours now, most of you know guys that Trump will get in the office this week on 20. So for that, we're expecting anyway DXY to hit 110 and show us a reaction. This was crazy. So especially those of you who are new to WeTradeWaves, if I go back to our last forex forecast, which was this one last week, let me show you this one. This is, by the way, thanks a lot guys for all your likes, comments and shares. All right, so I'm reading anyway every single comment, and we appreciate your support guys. So for this one, this was the XY covered last week, and look what we have said. We have said market push to the upside, tap 110 and then start to fall. By the way, it's very important guys to follow us on a weekly basis because the structure might change. So for the XY, this is exactly what market did. We've got this pullback, this up wave, a small corrective structure up, 110, and then we've got the drop. What's next? Most of you know that we're expecting the XY to fall after Trump gets in the office, right? And that's exactly what we are still expecting. So for this one, we are expecting the XY to fall, to drop. So any sell setup we get, we'll go for it. For the XY, if we get a sell setup from here, this scenario one, by the way, we'll get this drop. So one more fall will be coming. Any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Now, if market will show us any reaction for one more push up to break this top, this up wave will ignore it, and even if market will go up to break this top, we will look for our sell setups. In all the cases, for the XY, we will be looking for our sell setups only. The levels, the trades of the week will be covered by T during our Sunday live sessions. Anyway, I'll show you, like I said to you, the FTSE trade shortly. Please keep watching till the end, and this is what we share, by the way, during the Sunday session, just for you to know. This is the Sunday session conducted by T. This was last one. Look at this one. It was 1 hour and 49 minutes. This way you can join live and ask any question you want or you have. And this is what we covered during our monthly live session. It's conducted every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time by T. All right, so to get access, you know where you can get that. It's on our website, and this is actually where you can see that. It's in this is our website, WeTradeWaves.com. And if you go to the pricing page, or if you click on Start Your Path to Profits, you'll be redirected to this page. This all the features where you can get access once you join WTW Pro. Okay, so for this one, the XY, I hope this is clear, and you know what is our bias. Our bias is to where the downside, anytime market give us a sell setup, we will go for it. Euro dollar for this one is exactly the same. We're expecting market to give us one more drop and then start to push to the upside. If I go back again, show you the before. This was the euro dollar last week. Before we said one more drop under this low, and then after that market will start to push to the upside. Guys, you can go to our YouTube channel anyway to check it by yourself if you'd like. This is the video here, as you can see, 6 days ago. All right, and you can even check this one, the previous one, just to see our accuracy. All right, so for euro dollar, like I said here, this is the before, drop and up. If we go back to what market have done, we've got this drop here, as you can see. Let me zoom in for you so you can see it clearly. We've got this drop here. We broke this low, corrective structure pullback, another drop, and the market start to push to the upside. Why this important? Let me go to the 1 hour and explain you this one here in detail. Look at this. At this point of the time, this was the low, right? We've got this drop. Most of the people who trade stop hunt or who trade support and resistance, they will get in the buy. And market makers, they know that. They have their algos, they have their systems. And after this push up, we've got this drop. WeTradeWavers, they know that. That's why they will be selling, or they will start to buy from under this low and even under this low. So that's why, guys, you have to learn how to trade correctly. You have to understand everything regarding market structures, regarding market makers framework, how the market moves before you go into trading, before you risk your money. Because if you start to do that just by following anyone blindly, even us, you will start to lose money. It's not about actually getting one signal or one trade and then that's it. You have to have a goal, which should be achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom, guys, should be your ultimate goal. And that's why actually this is what I have covered for our members during our monthly session. Let me show you this one. If I go to the Discord community, this is what you will get access to as soon as you join WTW Pro. If I go to general, this actually how we conducted, or this way we conducted our monthly live session on trading, investment, and stocks for our members. And this was anyway 2-hour session, 2 hours and 30-minute session where we covered all the big trends for 2025 and the stocks to focus on. Not only that, just to give you again one more explanation, we have a price alert section here. This price alert, we will set the alerts for you. We'll actually set up the alerts for you once a stock or crypto currency, or even the Forex or any index will hit a target or will hit a level where we think that you need to take action. We will send you the alerts here. So all the stocks that were covered in our monthly session here, we have set up actually the alerts for most of the stocks covered in our monthly session. So we have a big stock list, 40 to 50 stocks that we are monitoring, and the alerts are here. So anytime, as example, look at this one, AMD. And if you go to AMD, you will see that market hit 115 and started to react from there. Let me show this one quickly before I go to euro dollar again. If I go to AMD here, just to show you, look at this one. So market hit 115, we send the alerts to our members, and then some of us are already in the buy anyway. I know like a lot of you trade stocks, and stocks actually we cover them a lot in our sessions. All right. So for euro dollar, back to euro dollar for this one, market went to the downside. We've got this drop here and then start to push to the upside. What's next, Alan? We are getting a corrective structure here. So if we get this corrective structure, one push up will be coming. So for euro dollar, we are looking to buy this one. Any buy setup we get, we will go for it. From this level, again, or from under this low, which is actually the probability chance move, which level to look for, the exact, I would say, price action, and the exact levels will be covered by T during the Sunday session. Again, guys, if you are not one of our members, you have missed a lot of trades and you have missed a lot of sessions in the past 7 days only. So we have Sunday, we have daily live sessions, as example, this one, just to show you quickly, guys, again, this is the session schedule, all right? So this is what you will get Sunday, Monday, 2 sessions on Monday, Tuesday, and look at this one. This is actually the session schedule, who is conducting this one, and where this will be posted anyway. Okay, so for euro dollar, we are looking to buy this one, or we are looking for buys from these levels or from under this low. It doesn't matter. Anytime market will give us a buy setup, we will go for it. Pound dollar for this one is exactly the same. Market is in the buy zone. Most of you know that this is the buy zone for us. And again, we don't care if we'll get one more push down or not. The bias is toward the upside, and any buy setup we get, we will go for it. Regardless from which level, it's in the buy zone for us. Anytime we get our buy setups, we will go for it. Gold for this one, I really hope most of you guys made money trading this one. Last week, we said market will give us a corrective structure and then it'll push to the upside. This is exactly what market have done. We've got this up wave. Alan, any proof for that? Of course. Let me go back to this one here. So this was pound dollar again, as you can see, small drop and then up again. And this is gold. Look at this one, guys. We've got this corrective structure and we've got this up wave. All right. So again, this is the before. Look at this one. This was 6 days ago. And if I go back to the charts, this is gold. Of course, the levels were shared during the Sunday session. So this is the pullback. This is the corrective structure, and this is the up wave. Some of our members, guys, are making crazy money trading gold. So you can do that as well. All right. So for this one, market went to the upside. What's next? We are at a critical level. Market, it can give us a bigger corrective structure here, or even an impulsive wave to the downside. Why is that? Again, if I need to explain you about the market structure and about the liquidity is done here. So market took liquidity above this top, and even this one here, we might be getting a drop as soon as Trump gets in the office. So for that, again, regarding, guys, what to expect next for the dollar, for the stock market, for the crypto market, for the indices, this has been covered during our Sunday session, during our long-term session that is recorded, and inside the dashboard as well. Inside the Discord community, you can find the recording as soon as you join. But the details regarding why gold will be falling and what will happen to the stock market will be covered during the Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow by T at 12 p.m. UK time. So for that, again, I hope you made money, guys, trading this drop or this up wave. And now what's next? Even this looks like as a corrective structure. If we get one push up, the sell is actually what we'll be looking for. In all the cases for gold, we'll be looking for the sell from this level, or even if market give us one push up, this is the drop. In all the cases, guys, just to give you the end story for the gold, we are actually bearish for gold. So any sell setup we get, we'll go for it. The levels, it can be from here or from above this top. It doesn't matter. This will not change the structure. All right. So gold is toward the downside.
FTSE is your trade of this week. As I've said to you, look what happens. This was a trade of the month. I gave it to you in December. Market has given you this in the last week of December. Market did do this. Okay. Why did they do that? Because they wanted to freak you out. If you do not know what the structures are like, they would do something like this. And that is called manipulation. We were actually in the end of the year. What can you expect from the brokers and the market makers to do, right? What they did, as soon as market ended the year, they went right back up. Now, it hasn't still tapped the top here. It will be tapping the top. You need to wait for this consolidation in this week. And that is your trade. From the current level, I'm expecting 100 points to the upside. If it goes down, it becomes 150 or 200. But in all the cases, aim for this one to actually go very, very close to tapping this top here. Then we'll see the reaction. FTSE is your trade of this week. Again, now it is ready to go to the upside. Make sure within the next 12 hours, if you're interested in the trade, you look for this one for a buy. Because for me, even if it goes to the upside and come back down, it will not change the picture. It will still be going back up to test this top here. So again, it will be getting ready very, very soon. It might actually be getting ready even today. Okay, so keep an eye on this one.
Aussie dollar, again, one of the, I would say, pairs that we're looking for. And if you remember, just to show you, last week we said we are expecting market to break this low. Look at this one, this low. And as you can see, market broke this low and started to push to the upside, right? And if I go back again to show you the before and after, look at this one. We said market will go down to break this low and then up again. If I go back here, we've got a small corrective structure, drop even after market tapping this low here and then up again. What's next? This is a buy. Anytime I'll give us a buy setup, we will go for it. This buy, it can be short term. Even if we get one more drop here, another push up will be coming. In all the cases, Aussie dollar is a buy. Now, some of you might be saying, Alan, this is daily chart, man. Like, this is long-term move. Is this swing trade? No. At WTW Waves, we have shared a 15 minutes scalping strategy during our long-term session that was conducted last Thursday, the monthly session. So if you want to get access to that, you know actually what you need to do. Once you join us, you will get access to this one and to all our weekly live sessions and even monthly live sessions archive, all right? So for that, you will not miss anything. You have the recording anyway once you join. So for that, Aussie dollar is toward the upside, and we have a 15-minute strategy where you can trade this one and follow the trend once the market will be actually trending to the upside, okay? So I'm giving you hits, guys, and tips, all right? For this one is toward the upside. New Zealand dollar for this is exactly the same. Anytime I give us a buy setup, we will go for it. Alan, what if the market will fall to the downside like that? We don't care. We'll not lose our accounts because we apply risk management, money management, and the worst case scenario, it will be 1% loss in case you are risking 1% per trade. So even if anything happens here, any manipulation, if we are wrong in the forecast, we will not lose our accounts. And that's why, guys, you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk any money. You can keep jumping from strategy to strategy, from YouTube video to YouTube video, from methodology to methodology. But if you are really serious about becoming independent, successful trader, we are one of the best solutions that you can find. All right. That's regarding New Zealand dollar. We are biased to the upside. Any drop, we will ignore. So for this one, up from here or from under this low. In all the cases, buy is what we are looking for. Dollar yen for this one, market actually went to the downside. This is a potential expanding triangle, by the way. But if I need to show you the details for this one more drop is very possible before the next up wave. Okay, so for this one, I'll be waiting for one more drop before the next up wave. Why is that? Because I want this one to complete. This is not a complete 5-wave structure for us for now. We need actually one more drop here, most probably before the next up wave. Which wave to trade is up to you. Which trade actually you want to take is up to you. The trades of the week will be shared by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. To get access to it, you know what you can do actually. It's on our website anyway, all the details. Dollar Swiss for this one, we think that market will start to fall very soon for this. For more than one reason. First of all, dollar, we are expecting dollar to get weaker and Swiss will get stronger. So for this one, This might be a big drop to the downside or a big impulsive wave. In all the cases, anytime we get a sell setup, we will go for it for dollar Swiss. All right. Again, from current levels or from above this top, it doesn't matter. We will be looking for the sell setups only. Dollar CAD for this one, this is a massive structure, but anyway, it was a complete regular flat here, up, corrective structure up. This is a massive structure, guys. To be honest, I will not be trading dollar CAD for now. I'll be leaving it. If you don't know, my favorite pair is pound dollar. This is what I trade most of the times in terms of the Forex pairs, and of course some other pairs as well. But for dollar CAD, this is a massive structure. I'm expecting market now to drop either as an impulsive wave or as a corrective structure. In all the cases, sell is what we're looking for. If you are trading dollar CAD, try to look for sells. This will give you better win rate, or this will give you actually a win. Okay. US oil for this one, market went to the upside as expected, and now we're expecting market to give us a big corrective structure to the downside. If this will be a big corrective structure, we'll update you later on. For now, from the current levels, it's a sell. Though US oil is a sell for now, and anytime market give us a sell setup, you can go for it. Okay. Bitcoin market went to the upside as expected. Nothing new, I believe, guys. Most of you know actually that this was the structure here, and we have said that more than once. Drop, corrective structure drop, and then market have completed this structure here, and we are going to the upside. If you want if you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. We're expecting this one to go up again and break this top, and after that we will update you why this is important. So what's next? Corrective structure here, want to push up. If this will be an extended wave, we'll get a corrective structure, another push up. Now remember, this structure, it can be ending soon before we start a big corrective structure. Why is that? What's behind this one? I covered this in detail during the monthly live session that was conducted last Thursday. If you want to get, guys, all the info regarding the big trends, regarding the stocks, regarding what stocks we are focusing on, and regarding what are the big trends for the crypto market and even for the stock market, you have to join and watch this recording. It was 2 hours and 30 minutes recordings. You don't have to miss it anyway. So for this one, again, in terms of the direction, we are expecting this one to push to the upside after a corrective structure. The details will be covered by T during the Sunday session tomorrow. US30 market started to push to the upside, right? We said regardless, this is a pullback and market will push to the upside. Now, for this one, from technical point of view, fundamental point of view, we are expecting stocks to push up. So Trump will be actually supporting the economy with all the administration policies that they are planning to implement. And even it's a business guy, a businessman. So for him, he will be supporting the economy. And as how we know and how we are reading the history, I don't want to actually reveal too much, but he hate, I would say, he hate actually the stocks to be weak. I'm not getting the details actually. But anyway, for this one, we are expecting US30 to push to the upside. Now, fundamentally, this looks up, and we are bullish for US30 and for the stock market fundamentally. Technically speaking, this might be an expanding flat here for one more fall before the next upwave. So regardless if this will be falling, do not actually fall into the trap, guys. It will be just manipulation to take everybody out here, here, and here before the next upwave. All right? So it's not a sell setup. It's not something that you should focus on to sell. This can easily give us a corrective structure for another push-up. Okay, in all the cases, we are biased to the upside. And again, the details regarding the levels, regarding the high probability chance will be covered by T during the Sunday session tomorrow. WTW Pro members, T will see all of you tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time, and all our YouTube followers and even social media followers. I see all of you guys next Saturday. You trade with gear, and I really hope you had actually great trading week, and you will make money trading the next week with this direction. Remember, guys, we might have some manipulation in the market, so make sure to use stop loss and trade actually wisely. Thank you very much, and see all of you next Saturday.